This is a tutorial to show you how to use layer masks, courtesy of Adobe, but we're going to use Photopea.com. So once you've gone to this website, you need to download the image, which is a PSD, which is a Photoshop document, to your computer or laptop, and then you need to go File, Open, navigate to where that file is, and click Open. So you can see it's got two layers. And I can turn the eye off, and you can see there's the layer underneath is the forest path with a girl walking up it, and then we've got the door here. So notice that this handle here is selected because I'm on that forest path layer. Control Z to undo that. Okay, so working on this door layer, what we're going to do is we're going to apply a mask, and then we're going to use a mask to show through what's underneath. So the mask is down here, and we're going to click on it, and you can see we've got a mask there, and that's the picture, and I can switch between the two. Now I could use the paintbrush tool. Notice here the colour is black. Just useful trick, if you use the square brackets, you can actually make the paintbrush bigger or smaller, or you could go up here and change this size over here. Now I'm just using a normal brush for this. This one will be useful in a minute, but right now this is the brush I'm going to use. So it's not very accurate, and obviously if I could hand draw this, but it's not going to look very good. So if I press Ctrl Z a few times. For this, we're now going to use a selection brush. Selection tools here, you've got magic wand, quick selection brush. Again, I'm going to use the bracket tool to make it a bit bigger, and I'm going to keep area here. I'm going to paint around the door. Minus, it's a little bit of a gain, but eventually it will just show me the door here. Now it's a little bit refining, I could refine the edge, but for this I'm not going to worry too much. Now I'm going to go over and I'm going to click on the layer mask, and I'm going to click on the paintbrush tool, and I'm going to I'm now going to go select and inverse. By inversing it means rather than, let me just show you. So right now that's the area selected, but I want to be able to paint on this part. And in order to do that, I need to go select inverse. So now I can just quite tidily remove this. Worth releasing the cursor because it will allow you an undo in case there's a mistake. But I'm pretty happy with this. Now I could just leave it as it is, but I want to blend this bottom part a little bit. So to do that, I think I'm going to do add to the selection. So go up to the selection tool. Okay, I'm not too bothered about that bit, but I see I've created this doorway here, and then I'm going to go to the brush, and I'm going to change the brush tool to a soft brush, and wrong colour. Has to be black, and I also have to be in the correct layer. So slightly faded. Now I'm going to change the opacity, lower the opacity, and now I can start blending it in, trying to make it look a little bit more natural, as though the leaves are coming through the door threshold. So I'm going to take it down a little bit more. There's a danger with this though, that you'll have overlaps. So just press, press, press. It's a bit like when you use a felt tip and it ends up showing areas that have been pressed, gone over twice. So just keep clicking, keep clicking. There we go. Right, so to finish that off, I'm going to go select, deselect. The shortcut for that is Ctrl D. Get rid of the Properties tab. Okay, And there's our finished spooky building. Thank you.